everybody, I wanted to show you this handy GE dehumidifier. When the air is flowing, it goes in through the front and comes out through the top. It's a 20 pint dehumidifier. It's also portable. Also has wheels at the bottom so you can roll it around. It weighs about 33 pounds and it has handles on the sides to pick it up. I wanted to start backwards and show you first this alert that says to empty the water. This was running earlier. The bucket is at the very bottom and there are 2 slots to put your fingers into. So I'm gonna pull it out. It's very easy. It's full of water. It's about 0.8 gallons and there's a handle. I'm getting ready to pour the water out. You can see just how much water this collects. When I dump the water, I hold it by the handle and there's an opening where all the water comes out of. This dehumidifier has a restart feature. On the top it shows that the room is at 70% humidity, the power is on, there's a filter, and there's a fan setting, which is high. So right now it's empty because I just took the bucket out. I'm putting it back in. I'm going to slide it in and just tap it shut. And the restart feature will automatically start dehumidifying again. I have the fan on high. It has 3 settings: medium and low. It's not very loud. It just sounds like a white noise fan in the background. So I like to keep it on high since we have a very damp room. This works very well. Thank you for watching.